Let me take this opportunity, viewers, to welcome you back to Flockel Show. And today we are doing a very quick video about the updates of KUCCPS. And this is because we have realized that at times this information comes, and because of the nature of where some of the applicants are, they are not able to get the communication in good time, and they just go starting to apply when the portal is already closed. The first clarification I wish to make is that there are two events that are taking place in the KUCCPS portal beginning 14th of July 2025. The first event that is taking place on the KUCCPS portal beginning 14th of July 2025 is about inter-university and inter-college transfers, which are supposed to begin on 14th of July 2025, and this will run all the way to 24th of August 2025, although some media sources are talking of 12th of August 2025. So in Flockel Show, we would advise that if there is the confusion about the two deadlines, then take advantage of making sure you have changed your course by 12th of August 2025. In case it runs all the way to 24th August 2025, well and good. But Flockel Show has not come across the exact date. Those are the two dates which are being mentioned. Now the other thing is, or the other event that Flockel Show is informing the viewers and potential applicants is about the new applications by TVET applicants. Now, for those who wish to join TVET, this is good news for them because the application fee to join TVET institutions has been waived. So anybody who goes to the portal, you are not supposed to pay anything through the M-Pesa. And this has been done to encourage and allow more students access education in TVET institutions. Then, having mentioned about those two events, then I can quickly go to just the simple steps that are required for you to do the transfer between one institution to another. Now, the transfer can only be done within the window period, which has already been stipulated. And the process involves the following. Number one is the student is supposed to log in to the KUCCPS student portal and navigate to the transfer applications tab. Then enter the 7-character program code for your preferred course and institution. And then from there you provide a reason for the transfer. These reasons can be medical, financial, or safety, mismatch of programs, etc. Then we go to step number 2, which is about payment. An unrefundable fee of 1,000 Kenyan shilling is charged, which is payable via M-Pesa pay bill only when prompted by the portal. Do not make payment outside the portal or timelines. But for this case, I would wish to say that Flockel Show has not yet seen the information talking about waiving the transfer fee. So that is subject to clarification. Step number 3 is endorsement and release. The receiving institution must endorse the requests. That is, confirm that you meet their requirements. And then, on the same, the releasing institution then processes the release. Once both approvals are in KUCCPS, reviews and issues a transfer letter available for download from the portal. Then step number 4 is final admission. You must present the KUCCPS transfer letter at the new institution to receive a revised admission letter and joining instructions. Then eligibility and conditions for the transfer. Only students officially placed by KUCCPS are eligible to apply for inter-university transfer. Then you must meet entry requirements and the cut-off points for the program you wish to transfer into. And then you can only apply to one program and are allowed one transfer during the duration of your course. In other words, during this window period of inter-university and college transfer, you cannot transfer more than once. So you need to be very sure before you go to make that change of the new course you want to do, because you only be allowed to do that exercise once. The common transfer reasons that KUCCPS has recognized, as we have said, one is medical needs, then disability accommodations, or financial hardship, misplacement into an unintended program, or other personal or logistical considerations. After KUCCPS approval, HELB and University Funding Board are notified to update sponsorship or funding allocations if applicable. Then start application early in the window period to avoid technical delays.